In our last video, we used Gemini to generate these student-friendly ICANN statements from our state standards. And now we're going to take those and generate visuals that you can post on your whiteboard when you're actually teaching those lessons. So within Canva, you can either create your own template or you can use the one that I've created here. But we are going to come over here to this left-hand side and select Apps down at the bottom. And then you might have to scroll down a little bit, but we're going to select this bulk create option. Now, there's two ways you can input data. I'll be showing you how to input data manually, but if you would prefer to upload your data using a CSV or an Excel file, that is an option as well. So we are going to click on that purple Enter Data Manually button. It might give you some example text here in this table. If it does, you can just hit this Clear Table button and it'll erase all of that. But we're going to come over to our table that we made in Google Sheets and just copy those. And then click up here in this top header column and paste. And then we have our standards listed and we have our ICANN statements. Because the design that I'm using has ICANN already listed on it, I chose to remove ICANN from the phrases in the table. But if you don't care, you can just leave that there. Totally personal preference. So now we're going to link up our elements. So any of these text boxes can be linked to one of the columns on our spreadsheets. So you can right click on it and click this Connect Data button, or if you click on it and you're already in the Bulk Create app, it should just come up. And you can see here that with this check mark, we have the ICANN statement connected there. And then we just need our standard to have the standard connected. And then we can go back and just confirm that. And you can see that checkbox. You can also double check over here that both of these are highlighted and that it says 2 fields added. If one of them is grayed out or it says only 1 data field added, it will create your document, but it'll be missing those components that aren't highlighted. So once we've confirmed that everything is shared the way we want it, we click Continue. And here we can unselect any options we don't want to generate, but all of these look great to me. So we're going to generate 14 designs. It will generate in a new document. It'll take just a second. And here we have all of our ICANN statements with the standard listed. All 14 of them. Now with this, I would come through and just make sure that the text fits. If it's starting to get big like this, you can just make it smaller if it doesn't quite fit within the visual. But all of these look great. I don't think I am going to need to edit any of them. So from here, you can download, print, add it to your Google Drive, whatever you want to do with that document. But this is how you bulk create your ICANN statements for the entire year. Thanks for watching.
Tech track, we on that road, blazing trails with a binary code. Adventures in learning, youth unleashed through Chrome screens, knowledge increased.